Okay, so a couple weeks ago, I bought another USB audio adapter, which is also known as a 3.5 millimeter to USB adapter, or USB to 3.5 millimeter adapter, and this time it was a wire, and today it arrived. I opened up the packet, and this is the one I bought, and the paper is there, so yeah. And I'm going to use my Turtle Beach headset mic, as always, for this because, I think it's cool. It's a good headset mic, and I like it. And I'm pretty sure it's this, and I'm pretty sure it is the same thing as the other USB audio adapter that I got. Okay. Alright. Hopefully this works. Okay. I'm guessing the quality is the same thing as the other USB audio adapter that arrived yesterday. Hold on, let me show you. Hmm. Okay, so this is the same thing. So I'm using the Turtle Beach headset microphone as a test again because it's a good headset mic and I like it. And I connected it because of it's because of this adapter that I have. Hold on. Okay. And yeah. And after I finish recording this, I'm gonna look back at this video. So yeah. Now I'm testing it out on my desktop. Yeah. And I'm gonna show you the wire that is connected. Yeah. And yeah. This time it's gonna be on this USB audio adapter. And since I'm doing this on laptop and I'm moving around my webcam because it is connected to my laptop, I'm gonna show you something interesting. So like I said earlier in the video, I am currently unmuted, but when I switch the thing, I end up muted. So yeah. And yeah. Um Yeah, that's something you can do on a Turtle Beach headset mic. Just mute and unmute and yeah. This is Ronnie Zamora saying, see you later.